Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and read Skyscanner tips. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. On this video, I'm going to give you some extra tips that you can use in order for you to go ahead and save some extra money as well. So with that being said, let's just get into it. First things first, let's talk about flights. So whenever you're searching for flights, what you can do in order to find the cheapest month to travel is all you need to do is to select where you're headed from and where you're headed to. So simply go ahead and search for where you're headed to, and now on depart, simply go ahead and click on it. And now instead of choosing a specific date, you can simply go ahead and head into flexible dates. And as you can see, October is the cheapest month to travel to Dubai right over here, and these are some tips given by Skyscanner itself as well. Even if you want to get specific dates and you have to travel this month, what you can do is if you hover over this eye, as you can see, it says estimated lower prices per person for economy class. The green signal says that it is going to be a cheap price, the orange says a mid-range, and red is expensive. So if you go ahead and click on green and just look for the prices, then you will spot some good prices for your particular month as well. So those are a couple of tips that you can go ahead and use in order for you to go ahead and save money while picking a airport or picking a booking and flight. So for hotels as well, you can simply go ahead and search and compare it with a lot of hotels. You can also go ahead and use these filters in order for you to go ahead and get the best prices. You can also search by simply clicking on this lowest prices. As you can see, there are a lot of places where you can go ahead and stay at. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.